Microsoft Forms is an application which allows you to create shareable surveys, quizzes, and polls in minutes. In this tech tip, we'll demonstrate how to create a new form, share it, and view the responses. Microsoft Forms is available to all McDaniel faculty, staff, and students. With Forms, users can collect information from respondents using any web browser or mobile device. Form creators will see real-time results as they're submitted and use built-in analytics to evaluate responses. Results can also be exported to Excel for additional analysis. To access the Forms app, open your Microsoft 365 homepage by typing portal.office.com in any web browser. If prompted, log in with your McDaniel email and password. The Forms app should appear in the left pane. If Forms does not appear in your list of apps, select the App Launcher icon in the upper left corner of the window, then choose All Apps to locate the Forms application. Once Forms is launched, select the New Form option from the drop-down menu. Enter a title for your form. You can also provide an optional subtitle if you wish. Next, choose the type of question you want from the list of options. To see more question types, select the drop-down arrow. For this example, we'll select Choice, a popular option for forms. Next, type your question and then manually enter your choices in the fields provided, or, if available, select from the list of suggested options to save time. Select the Add New button to continue adding questions as needed. After adding your questions, you can give your form some visual flair by applying a theme. Select the Theme button located in the right corner of the application window to view available themes or colors. Theme ideas will vary based on your form content. With your questions created and a theme now applied, it's a good practice to preview your form. To do this, select the Preview button found in the upper right corner to see how your form will look on both a computer or mobile device. When ready, select the Back button to continue editing your form. When you are ready to share your form, select the Share button to access the Share pane. Here, you can choose how to send and collect responses. You can share your form in 3 ways. Let's take a look at each option. Selecting Anyone Can Respond keeps your responses anonymous and allows anyone outside the McDaniel community to respond to your form if needed. Selecting Only People in My Organization Can Respond requires responders to sign in with their McDaniel email in order to access and respond to the form. Choosing this option automatically captures each user's name and email in the results of your form. Lastly, you can also make the form available to specific users or a group at McDaniel. Next, choose how you want to share your form with your respondents. Choose to share by link, QR code, embed, or email. Each of these choices will display a different action button for sharing. In most cases, you will choose the link option and choose Copy. Once copied, you can paste the link into a Blackboard announcement, content item, forum, or Teams chat for student or peer access. After creating and sharing your form, it's time to view the results. You can view results anytime by opening the form and selecting the Responses tab. The Responses tab summarizes the responses submitted to the form. Across the top, you'll see a summary of information about your form, such as number of responses and average time it took to complete your form. Next to each question, you'll see the number of responses and a chart that shows a breakdown of responses. Select the View Results button to see individual responses, or view all the results in a spreadsheet format by selecting Open in Excel. Optionally, you can also choose to print a summary of all responses. Thank you for viewing this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. You can access all Tech Tip Tuesday recordings by visiting the link provided or scan the QR code to view on your mobile device.